Welcome to our presentation. Our product is Storeyltics, which provides data collection and analytics for brick-and-mortar stores. In recent years, especially with COVID, online retailers have taken over consumer attention and purchasing power. We hope to give the tools necessary to smaller shops and in-person stores to expand their consumer base and recapture the customers they may have lost or could potentially lose. We have a substantial market size with large brick-and-mortar chains such as Target and Walmart attempting to stay relevant as Amazon dominates the large retail market. This data collection will help national chains better understand the customers who shop in their stores, and our product is beneficial because these large chains will be able to get data on a store-specific level. We can also help small businesses trying to stay afloat because they can learn what customers they are appealing to and which they are less popular amongst, helping them to better optimize their operations. How do we do this? We use facial recognition to detect customers and collect data about their race, gender, and mood in order to display this data in our app to show businesses what demographics they are trying to appeal to, or are struggling to appeal to, and what they are doing right. Now for a demo.
So this here is our app. So we show a live number of people in the store. These cards are past customers. And down here we show the number of customers you had in the past 4 hours. In our more data section, this is where we kind of go more in depth with it. We kind of show pie graphs of all of our different traits, the gender, race, and emotion. And in this we can show today's version or the past week's worth of stuff. So now if we were to add a live person. So with this script, we use OpenTV's library to do facial recognition as well as deepface to sort of track the person's face and log like each frame of the person's face into a Redis database. And with that, on the way out, using the back camera, because this back end uses two cameras, one as a front end and one as a back end camera. So the front camera will first take the face, store it in the database, and then on our way out, the back camera will try to match the two faces, and then it will delete it from the database. So as you can see, the new customer just recognized me at 9:33. Now if we go back here, we can see now at 9 p.m. just got the 2 people. And also our lifetime viewer count adjusted to 1 person, as well as showing the online symbol. Now if we wanted to log out, I will run a script on my second device emulating the back camera. And as soon as that thing picks up my face, it will get rid of the live person because it will emulate someone leaving the store. And we should update with the new card, as well as our more data page will update with more data. For this front end, we use React Native, and which can be used on iOS or Android devices. Okay, so this thing just picked me up, as you can see. So I only spent 1 minute. And that's why it's kind of the card's coming up red, because we have it set up where the more time they spent, the more greenish it'll turn, and like it's good because you want your customers to spend more time, and the less time they spend, it'll go down. So, and now also you can just see it captured me again because I'm running the front camera again. So this number of people went up. It captured me again because I was deleted from the database. We do that just so to protect data, privacy measures, because we don't want to store these people's faces because we find it not ethical. So we just get rid of it as fast as we can. So if we go to the more data side, you'll be able to see this went up to 9. This went up to 9 in total, but it considered me Latino Hispanic. And this went 1 more neutral. So yeah, that's what our app does.
Thank you for that wonderful demo. So what in the future, we hope to make our bot a little more accurate with its facial recognition and analysis. As you saw in the video, it identified Rahil as Latino Hispanic, although he is Indian. So although it wasn't accurate on that front, it many times is accurate, but we hope to make it more accurate as often as we can. We also hope to add more features, such as being able to identify the age of the customer. We would also like to give a bigger time frame for the graphs, such as being able to show the last month, last year, year to date, and a max period, as opposed to just 1 day and 1 week. And in order to help stores better understand their customers, we would also like to add options to individualize the app for these stores. Thank you for your time.